Thank you. It's pretty neat. I remember I was in here a few years ago, and I really wanted to come back so I could get a video. I'm just into old elevators.
Put it on YouTube?
Yeah. Would you be able to run it to the basement and back so I can get a shot of the motor? Thank you.
Well, you can see it's kind of dark in here too.
A little bit.
That's gonna help.
Yeah, I can kind of see it. It's an old winding drum machine. DC.
Yeah. Yeah, 108 years old now.
Oh wow, what year was it put in?
1912.
Can I get a shot of that crank?
Oh, shit.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, this is really neat.
They put it on YouTube, huh?
Yeah, I have a channel where I post elevators.
All right, that's cool.
Yeah, this one's really neat. Thank you.
Huh.
Oh wow, you can get a shot of the shaft. That's really cool. Thank you.
Wow.